Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is hover on this profile button which is on top right corner of your screen and click on Live Studio. Now, in order to go live, you have to download for Windows. And remember that it only supports 64-bit Windows 10 or newer version. After the download has been finished, you can go live. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.